This replacement of gear knob covers, the leathers, guys, it's something that you can do yourself conveniently and very cheaply by yourself at home. This is the leather that I had bought for just for a few bags from Temu with other products. Yeah, the steering cover and these deodorant balls with these headlight cleaners and the suction cap. So to do it, you just have to unscrew the bolts which holding the middle compartment of your gear from both sides. After unscrewing the bolts, then you come to the last bolt here at the back. So this process is for Honda Jazz 2011 and I did it by myself. So I used the screwdriver to unscrew this bolt, and you can see now the middle compartment can come out, the one that is covering. After that, you have to rotate your gear knob anti-clockwise, so that it can be removed. After successfully winding it off anti-clockwise, then you should be able to disassemble the whole compartment, but you should first remove this gear cover, this handbrake cover, so that the handbrake can be able to pass through when you're disassembling the middle compartment. There, I removed it after removing the gear cover, and then I lifted it up. The handbrake could be able to pass out, but it was so dirty guys. This is something that you should be able to do yourself, even if you just want to clean under the gear or the handbrake stick. I removed it, and here you have to remove the unnecessary parts, so you should be able to enter into the you have to unscrew these screws so that you can take out the knob leather part only, and you assemble the new one. And here are the clips which you have to unlock in order to get it out. I remove the clips. After the clips went, and some of the equipments that you will need the stapling machine, in order to put it back as the way it is. As you can see here, close here, you can see that there are step wires which held this old leather onto the plastic frame. After making some measurements and whatsoever that I needed to do, and making some cuttings, as you can see, I was measuring with some rulers and whatsoever, I was able to put it back, and this is it. We need it there inside, and there we had done. So you repeat the process the same way you did it in order to get everything right back, step by step. And this is it is something that you can do yourself. It is very cheap and easy.